Hello and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to fix the Bandsintown's app not working. So let's get started. So here we can see the app. If it's not working, you have to follow this easy step. So Bandsintown app, you have to press and hold right here on this app. Just click on that I button. It will open the app info section of the app. So at here you have to just scroll down and go to the storage section, click on clear data, just clear the existing data. Then here you have to open the app again. If it's work for you, then fine. If it does not work for you, then you have to probably check for an update. So go to the Google search bar and search for the Bandsintown app. Just search for like this, brands in town app. Just download the latest version and it will work. So if you find this video helpful, make sure you like, subscribe and share the video. Thank you for watching.